Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Happy Tuesday everyone. So today is December the 3rd. Oh my goodness. Y'all, Thanksgiving had me in a complete chokehold for real. Like, I got paid before Thanksgiving and just now making this video and actually just now finalizing my paycheck just to realize that I actually get paid again next week. So, yeah, it's been crazy. But what I wanted to do is show you all the budget. And I also want to do another giveaway. So, if you're wanting to win, stay tuned. I'll have it somewhere in the video. So, this paper right here is from Gina Renee RM Budgets for her split, well, half payment method budget. So and I'm just covering this up that way I don't read everything the wrong way. So my budget was $1,849, but when I added the $49 from $249 from Discover along with the $50 from Navy Federal, I ended up with a total of $2,146.63 because some of that money needed to go back into the bank. So let me go ahead and zoom in because I don't know if you all can see this or not. So you should be able to see it now perfectly fine. So all together we're starting out with $2,143.63. First, according to Chris, we do need to start with our fixed expenses, which I'm going to do for AT&T. Y'all, the bill for AT&T went up. So I called AT&T, asked them why the bill went up by $5. The person told me that the annual charges have went up. So of course they went up on my end as well. And that's just some change I took out my pocket just now. So this time the bill for AT&T, instead of it being $65, it is now $70. So this time I'm paying $38 for AT&T. Of course, we're still paying for term life. That bill is due at the end of this month. It is round up to $176. So that means once I get paid my first paycheck, or the second paycheck, I think it's first. I think by the time I get paid again, I should have this for term life fully funded for $176. Next, we have Netflix. We are doing $4 because it went down to $7 and some change, so $8. Next, we're doing Cricket. Cricket is $59. And remember, this is for the month of December that these bills are for. So NES, the bill is not out just yet because, well, I just paid the previous bill and I only had to pay $7 and some change. So I had a credit and I ended up just having to pay $7 and some change, but I actually paid $8. Actually, a total of $60, and whatever is left is going to the credit. Next, we have State Farm for $129, and this is for the month of December, even though we're already in December. Remember, this paycheck is from the last paycheck for November. If you hear anything hollering at the TV, that is Travis. Travis' mom got him a PS5. Oh my goodness. When I say he has been glued to it, he has literally been glued to it. I'm talking about sleep cycle is all the way off and discombobulated. Next, we have mortgage slash rent. Remember, for the month of November, I think I started this in November or the end of October. I can't remember which, but I did say I wanted to save as if I had a mortgage. So that would be me saving $1,200. Of course, I would pay my regular rent of $940 out, and what's left is going to be in that alley bucket. So this time I'm paying $600 for a total of. Next, we have the variable expenses. For variable expenses, we have grocery. For grocery, I am doing 160, and also out to eat is included in grocery because y'all know how it is after Thanksgiving. You cook all of this food, and after a couple of days or so, you're just done completely. So groceries 160. We still have food in the freezer. We have like some of everything. So 160. And yesterday I went to Captain D's, and when I walked outside, I saw this right here. Oh my goodness, we got our first snow for the year. I can't believe it. So yesterday we did get snow. Of course it melted away, but it was nice to see a little bit of snow. Next, we have spending for $60, travel for $40, and travel is just gas. Miscellaneous, I did 20, but I don't know if I want to keep 20 or change it to $10 altogether. That is 280 bucks. Do is talk about this giveaway. Remember when I got my new wallet from Danny over at Simple Shops? I did say that I thought about giving this one away. So this is an imperfect wallet, and this is what it looks like. Of course, it has the fly leaf, and all the pockets in here are empty. And I want to give it away. What else is in here? Let me see. Yeah, I don't have any cash in here, but I do want to give it away if anyone wants it. If not, I'll be more than happy to keep it because yeah, y'all know I like A7 things. So it comes with the wallet, comes with this come with this chain that is pretty heavy, and you just put it right here, and you can wear it as a little purse if you want to. I never use the chain. So to win this, you would just put hashtag Simple Shops 4th of December to Monday the 9th, and I'll have the winner on the 10th and get it out and shipped by the 11th, 12th, 13th, or 14th. And it's just a regular A7 wallet, and it has a fly leaf and a chain, so it's up to you if you want it. Remember, the giveaway is going to be from today, when you see this video, on Wednesday the 4th, until the 9th, which is Monday, and then I'll announce the winner the next day, and I'll get it shipped out that week. So next we have debt. So this is where this balance come into play. So for Navy Federal credit card, I did send 303, and that's to take care of that previous balance I had for 233, I think. For Discover, I did send 285, and for the car note, this time I only did 243.63 since I did pay 100 and something dollars before that. So December will pretty much get us back on track. So for debt, not that, I paid a total of $831.63. What's left is 120 bucks. Well, 123 bucks. So I sent $5 to my buffer, $17 to invest for Christmas. I'm not really sure if I want to use it for Christmas or something else. And my battery just got low, so hold on. Hopefully you all can possibly see this. So let's finish this video really quick. So for Christmas, not really sure if it's going to Christmas. I will let you all know. 40 bucks, Navy Federal Save, $5. SoFi got 40 bucks, and Saving Challenges is getting 16 bucks. So let's see if this better. And it may not be. This is a little better, but that's okay. You all can see what's what. So I was watching Elma's video, and she was talking about her saving challenges, and at the end of the month, if they're not done, she's just pretty much going to count what she have and do that. So you all will see that in a different video. Not should be right after this one. Yeah, because I want to attempt to do Vlogmas, even though I'm starting on the 3rd. So hold on. That's it for this video. I hope you all have a great day. I am going to go ahead and start on a new video now. That way I can go ahead and get everything edited, or not, because this is real life, right? I may take the part out about the date. That way you all won't be confused, just like I will. But have a great day. Bye.